Welcome to Eassiy Official. Forgot your Apple ID password? No worries. It's easier to fix than you think. We'll guide you through the simple steps to regain access, explain why a secure password is vital, and show you how to unlock an iCloud-locked iPhone with Passixer. Ready to take control? Let's dive in! Importance of a secure Apple ID password. A strong and unique Apple ID password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. With weak credentials often serving as the entry point for breaches, 47.2% of cloud hacks, according to Google's 2024 Threat Horizons report, using a robust password protects your personal data and sensitive information. Step-by-step guide to resetting your Apple ID password. Way 1. Using a trusted iOS device. Launch the Settings application on your trusted iPhone. Tap on your name at the top to enter your Apple ID settings. Choose Password and Security. Select Change Password. Follow the prompts on the screen to input your existing password and create a new one. This procedure will assist you in recovering access to your Apple ID and keeping your account secure. Way 2. Using the iForgot website. Open your browser and navigate to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address and click Continue. Enter your number and click Continue. If you can't access your phone, use someone else's iOS device. If you're unable to use this number, click Continue anyway. Choose the option to reset your password via email. Check your email inbox for a message from Apple containing a password reset link. Click the link in the email and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Way 3. Using a Mac. To reset your Apple ID password on Mac, start by clicking the Apple menu and going to System Settings, or System Preferences for older versions. Next, select your name and then Sign In and Security. Click on Change Password, authenticate with your Mac's password, and finally, enter and confirm your new Apple ID password. You're all set. Way 4. Using the Apple Support app on a borrowed device. Simply open the Apple Support app, download it from the App Store if you haven't already. Scroll down to Support Tools and tap on Reset Password. Enter your Apple ID or linked email or phone number, then tap Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity via a trusted device, phone number, or email. Once verified, set a new password, confirm it, and tap Done. Your Apple ID is secure, and you're back in control. Way 5. Using account recovery on your web browser or device. If you prefer to reset your password using the iForgot website, open your browser and head over to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID email address and click Continue. Select the option to reset your password via email. Enter your number and click Continue. Message from Apple that includes a password reset link. Click on that link and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the password reset process. Easiest way to unlock an iCloud-locked iPhone, Passixer is a powerful iOS unlocking tool that makes resetting iPhones a breeze. Its Remove Apple ID feature bypasses iCloud passwords and Find My iPhone, making it perfect for second-hand devices. Compatible with all iOS versions, Passixer removes old Apple IDs and passcodes even on unresponsive screens. To get started, visit the Passixer website, download the software and install it on your computer. Open the application and select Remove Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions. Ensure your iPhone stays connected during the process. Once completed, Passixer will reset your iPhone, removing the Apple ID. After a reboot, you can set up your device as new without needing the previous Apple ID. Stay secure by using strong, unique passwords and consider a password manager like LastPass for safe storage. If you need more details on any of these steps, feel free to ask. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We appreciate your support.